Well, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a nephron. So let me give the title. So nephron. Okay. So first take a pencil and give a give just a line like this. Okay. After that, a parallelly two line here. One will be afferent arterial and the second one will be efferent arterial. So just make this like a bag here, a half circle. Well, after that what we will do is this is called the renal corpuscle or the glomerulus of our nephron. Then what I will do, I will just make a cup shape here like this, and it will be the capsule. Okay, so this is called, as it is in the nephron or it is in the kidney, so it's called the renal capsule. Okay, so this will be just like this. Okay, so it looks like a cup. So let me do this. Okay, so this is just the renal corpuscle or the Malpighian body. So now what would I go? I will go to the renal tubule section. So at first, in the renal tubule section, we have the proximal convoluted tubule or the PCT. It will be like this. It is pretty fatty, like this. You need to make it convoluted, just like this. Pretty easy. Okay, done. This is the PCT, and after that what I will do is I'm gonna shorten this. Okay, as you see, then I'm gonna take a scale and just take this, make this, which is called the loop of Henle. It will be paralleled. So let me make it. Okay, so as you can see, this one is like this, and I will just draw another line here in the parallel of this line. Okay, see this? Oh, very easy. Oh, just like this. So this is the loop of Henle. This is pretty easy to draw. Then we will draw the distal convoluted tubule or the DCT. Okay, now it will be pretty more fat than before, and it is also convoluted, so we have to make it convoluted. Just make it convoluted. Okay, so this is the DCT or the distal convoluted tubule. Well, just let me correct the shape of this glomerulus. This doesn't look good. No, it is not glomerulus, it is capsular space. Okay, so now that's it, renal capsule, PCT, loop of Henle, and this is the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. So now what we will draw is collecting duct, which will add to the DCT or the distal convoluted tubule. To draw this, you just have to do the same. You just have to at first give a line and a parallel line just like that. Let's draw this, then erase some part of that easily. I'm just erasing 6 or 5 parts. Okay, now just add this like this. This is the collecting duct of our nephron. All the urine comes here and goes to the ureter. All this is the basic structure of the anatomy of our nephron. Now just let me decorate this, add some oval shaped here. After that, what to draw? Here you can give 4 holes. Then there is some cell, cuboidal, and which are called as brush bordered cuboidal cell membrane. After that, well, I guess we are completed. I can make this bigger, this too. Okay, so I'm now taking a pen and now I'm labeling this. Well, this is afferent, arteriole. This is afferent arteriole. This one is efferent arteriole. This one is glomerulus. At first the blood comes and filtrates into this, the first stage, and then this is called the capsular space. This is called the PCT, or the proximal convoluted tubule, as it is a tubule and it is convoluted and it is approximate to this, so it's proximal convoluted tubule. And this is lobe of Henle, why Henle is a scientist. This is DCT, as it is far from the capsular space, so it is called the distal. And then it is, as it is convoluted, and then T for tubule, as it is a tubule. And here it is a collecting duct. Here in this capsule, which one is inside has a name, which one is outside that also has a name. Which one is inside is called the visceral capsule, visceral capsule, and which is outside it is called parietal capsule. Okay, so after that we can just, here we can add a line like this. Well, in the kidney, this upper side is called cortex and the downside is called medulla. Okay, this one is also called as the Bowman's capsule. I am writing this as BC. So our nephron has 2 parts. One is renal tubule and one is renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle has 2 parts. One is glomerulus and one is Bowman's capsule. And the renal tubule has 3 parts. One is PCT, one is lobe of Henle, one is DCT. And other part one is the collecting duct. So that is what all about. Okay, let me say one thing. At first the blood comes through this afferent arteriole, then it goes to the glomerulus, and some parts of the blood comes here, the urea, uric acid, creatinine, and some other salts. A lot of ions come here along with the water and some minerals. And then the other, like the blood cells like RBC, WBC, and the other things, and this doesn't comes through this, and the other goes there. And after glomerulus filtered, it goes to the PCT and lobe of Henle and DCT, and some of the glomerulus filtrate goes to the blood once again, and some doesn't go, the other which does not go, comes to the collecting duct, and then it goes to a ureter, and then it is excreted from our body. So this is all about the nephron, which is the unit or structural and functional unit of our kidney. So thanks for watching this video. See you next time.